Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well out there. Thought I would come outside, enjoy some of the sunshine that's finally here in Seattle. You know, here it's always raining, it seems like. But I was sitting here enjoying the view and was like, oh, my hands are kind of dry. And I was like, oh, this would be a perfect time to try the Hemp Hand Protector. And I've been hearing amazing things about it. It's supposed to be very moisturizing. And let's give it a shot. All right? Just a little bit here. Back of the hand. Let's see what it smells like. It's a very fresh smell. Ooh, yeah, that feels really good. Nice and silky. And instantly my hands feel hydrated. So this is a winner. Another one. A little fun fact about the hemp line is that the farms are in France. And they had to actually stop telling people where they are because they kept getting robbed. I guess people think that hemp is the same as marijuana plants, but as we know, it's just a sister plant and has so many benefits. So whether it be for different paper products or for beauty products. So a little fun fact about the hemp line with the Body Shop at Home. All right, everyone, get yours. They have all different kinds of things within the line: an oil, body moisturizer, lip balm, and also this hand cream. All right, talk to you guys later.